Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're having a really great day out there. Today I have Glossybox for April, so let's get in here and see what we've got. If you are new to Glossybox, Glossybox is a monthly subscription box that is $21. If you sign up for extended periods of time, the price does come down. This box was sent to me free for review, but you will get my honest review. And down below, I will put a link that if you have any interest in this, it will get you $5 off your first box, making it $16. So if you want to check that out, I'll put the link down below. This is one of the boxes that I always love. I have a really good luck so often with their skincare that I kind of look forward to seeing what we're going to get in here, because so often it's something new for me to try that I then find out I like. This is what the paperwork looks like, and on the inside it will tell us about everything we received. It's always wrapped up so nicely, plus it's one of those really sturdy boxes that I keep to use for storage. When we open it up, it is chock full. I mean, almost couldn't be closed. See how full it is? All right, let's see what we've got. Right in on top, I have a nourishing mascara, and this is a volumizing mascara enriched with almond oil and camellia oil, and it is from Beautinique. That is what the box looks like. I'll show it to you like that, and then the writing's the right way. Let's see what the tube looks like. And that is what that looks like. I like the ones that look like this. There's always something intriguing about them to me. When we open it up, it has a really basic brush. And I don't say that like, oh, it's a basic brush. I say it like, yay, it's a basic brush. I like just the basic old-fashioned, used to be in the Great Lash mascaras. And if you used Great Lash and loved it back in the day like I did, you know what I'm talking about. I love just those basic brushes. They do some really unusual things with brushes these days. The paperwork says this is full size. We knew that. It is Beautinique Beauty Nourishing Mascara. Thicken, lengthen, and strengthen your lashes with this volumizing formula rich in lash conditioning ingredients. The oversized brush grips and coats each hair, ensuring each lash is separated, defined, and evenly coated. It has a $19.90 value, and I didn't think that brush looked very oversized. Let me know below what you think. It looked very normal sized to me. Next we have limited edition Beauty on the Go, a Skin Research Laboratories mini kit. That is what that looks like. Let's see what this is, and then we will get into it. It says that this is from Skin Research Lab, and it is the Beauty on the Go mini kit. It has a $74 value, and it's the mini kit. Wow. It does say above this, exclusively for our most loyal subscribers. I wonder if that means everyone doesn't get it. I think everyone has to get it because it's the 5th item. Let me know below if you get this box and you didn't get this. I would be really interested in knowing that. Enhance your beauty wherever you go with this tiny yet mighty trio of products, including mini-sized versions of the best sellers for lashes, brows, and skin. Enjoy these formulas and never slow down, never stop moving, and never stop beautifying. Well, I'm not completely clear yet on what we have here, so let's get in this. This is what we have. It's really hard to see. It's all very shiny. We have new brow enhancing serum, new lash enhancing serum, and reflection complexion perfecting polish. The brow says apply to the brow line each morning and evening using the brow brush to maximize results. The new lash you apply nightly to the base of your upper eyelashes, and the new reflection you apply a thin layer onto clean wet skin, gently massage in upward circular motions, taking care around the eyes. Leave on for 5 minutes and rinse with warm water. All right, well, a quick look tells me that I can use all of this, so we're gonna give it a shot. Let's open this one. The others are just gonna be clear liquids, but ooh, this one is kind of lavender, and it's really thick. Oh, it's really, can you guys see how my hand, it's really firm. It's thicker than I anticipated it being. It doesn't have a lot of scent. It does have some grit to it. It feels like really small, like sandy bits. I think probably I could use it, and I looked at the ingredients and there's no reason I can't, so I will try this. We will leave that on the back of my hand for a few minutes and see what it does to my hand. It's always a good way to test it before. So this is fun, and actually 2 products in, we have made the point that I make about this box. I love that it comes with things that we haven't tried before. I don't know anything about this brand or these products. The Beautinique, I have tried some of their products before, but I've never tried their mascara. Let's see what else we've got. Next we have a Cargo Swimmables Long Wear Eyeshadow Stick. And that is what that looks like. And I have it in Morro Bay. When we take it out, that is what it looks like. Oh, it's very dark. That is, can you guys tell? That is very dark. Put a little bit on the back of my hand. Oh, let's see if we can blend it out. See, oh, it's very, when you see it up close, it's really coppery. It is blendable. You could definitely use it to like smoke out your eye. I always say, I am not great with these, but with summer coming, I love that this says that it's swimmable, which means if you also sweat or you were real teary, I do tend to get really teary. The paperwork says that it is a full-size Swimmables eyeshadow stick, and you could have gotten Botany Bay, Morro Bay, or Sandy Bay. This water-resistant creamy eyeshadow is exactly what we need as the weather warms up. The high coverage pigment will last all day through sweat, swim, and tears, so you don't have to worry about smudging, smearing, or reapplying. Once applied, you'll have 20-second playtime to blend before it sets. Girl, you best be moving. Sweep across the lid for a modern monochromatic look, and it has a $20 value. All right, well, we are way beyond 20 seconds, so I had it on this finger, so we'll try this finger so we can tell if any of it lifts. No, it's not moving. So yes, 20 seconds in, you better have that where you want it. Well, that will be fun to try. I will try that a time or two, and then if I don't love it, I will pass it on to my daughter because she spends a lot of time at pools in the summer. Reaching in next, yay, we have nail polish, which I am always happy to receive. I know some people don't love getting nail polishes in the boxes, but it's the whole, I've been doing my nails since this, and I don't see me going back to a nail salon too soon, although sooner than later. NCLA Beauty, full size, $16 value. We're off to Never Never Land. That's the color. We're off to Never Never Land. What could be more spring than a pretty pastel? This vegan and cruelty-free nail polish is free of harmful ingredients, making it safe and healthy for your nails to look beautiful all month long. Let's see what the color is. I have nail polish on. I don't know if I could put this over it. Let's just go for it. I have on kind of a peachy color. Let's just put this on my pinky. It needs to come off anyway. I've been wearing it just a little too long. Oh, I like this. This is barely what I would call a pastel. I like this a lot. It's kind of a pastel, but it's not cute. You know what I mean? Sometimes you want those cute colors. I have some pinks that are quite cute, but sometimes you don't, you're not looking for cute. And see how that's just kind of deeper? I like that. I like that. Goes with my room. And is my nail disappearing into the wall? It's not, you guys know, it's not that baby purple. And I think it goes really well with my skin tone. Definitely a cool. Reaching in next, we have the Good Patch. Be calm. Quantity, 1 patch. Time to unwind and decompress. This transdermal patch is complete with premium hemp extract and other natural ingredients. Containing 15 milligrams of hemp and menthol. This dermatologically tested patch will ensure you're calm throughout the day, relieving feelings of stress and anxiety. It's natural, simple, and totally discreet. It says that this 1 patch is $12, but 4 patches is $16. So 1 patch, $4. It's my math. And they called this just an extra treat. This isn't technically one of the products. It's just an extra treat. I'm not sure if I will use this or not. I am absolutely 100% not against hemp. It's in so many things now. I use the oils and it's in so many products now. But I don't know that I need this in my life. And it has, just for the record, a sticker on the back that says, does not contain a THC concentration above 0.3. Very interesting. Reaching in next, we have, I have no idea, but we have an envelope of terror. Okay, that might be a slight overstatement. It is super cute. It is an envelope and it has that nice, I don't know what it is in it yet, a nice tub of something, but it's surrounded by sequins and confetti. Knowing it going in, one can prepare. It actually says that this is KGC, the New York powders. Let's open it up and see what we've got. Well, just for the record, it was super easy to get out of here without making a mess. I do feel kind of like I want to seal this back up and put something else in it. I don't know. I'm going to keep that nice little bag. This says that I have Murray Hill. I still have no idea what this is. And it is not in our paperwork. Nope, not in our paperwork. So this is yet another just bonus item. That's kind of fun. I wish I knew what it was. I wonder if it's is it an eyeshadow or a bronzer? I just don't know. Oh. Be careful when you take this lid off because the powder does come out. All right, well, I'm not sure if this is a blusher or a bronzer or an eyeshadow. My money is on eyeshadow because of the size, but it is a bonus item, so it could just be a fun way for us to try new things. I put my finger down in it and pick some up, and on the back of my hand, let's just, oh, it's an eyeshadow. Now that I've done that, I say with confidence, can you guys see the shine on it? It's gorgeous. It's a really pretty color. Oh my gosh. Let me blend it out a little bit and see what we get. I think it's too shiny to be anything but an eyeshadow. It's really pretty though. Well, that's just a bonus item that we received from KGC. That's kind of fun. And we're way past 5 minutes, so let's take this exfoliant off. It doesn't dry down, but they said you could leave it set for 5 minutes for extra exfoliating. Oh my goodness. This is when I'm always so sad that I don't have a better camera. Even on my hand, if you could see the difference, this is the hand I did. I'm gonna cross them, so did not. If you could see the difference here and here, you know, the same place on those two hands. Okay, now this is the one I did do. I was trying to keep them next to each other. I don't know if you can tell the glow on that. When you feel this one, it feels like a hand. There's no secret sauce. But when you feel this one, it feels like perfect skin. Yeah, I'll be trying that on my face and hoping my face can take it. Actually, I'll probably be trying all 3 of these, so that will be fun and new things to try. Reaching in last, we have a huge Freeman French Pink Clay Peel-Off Mask. I have tried the Freeman products before because these are drugstore products over here in America, but Freeman has always done, as far as drugstore brands go, I have always liked their products. And this says globally sourced France, single origin clay. This is full-sized and it has a $4.99 value. French Pink Clay Peel-Off Mask. Refresh and revitalize your complexion with this pore clearing mask. Ideal for most skin types and free of harsh chemicals. French Pink Clay draws out and removes impurities while nourishing your skin for a smooth and glowing finish. Avoid your eye area, eyebrows, hairline, and lips. In case it's been a hot minute since you guys have done a peel-off mask, because for a while they came in everything and so many people were, oh my gosh, do you remember the charcoal ones that we couldn't get off? I'm gonna put this on my hand. So just remember, they can sometimes be difficult to get off, so beware of your eyebrows and your hairline. It's super thick. When I rub it in on the back of my hand, it's like even thicker than, say, Elmer's glue. It's really thick. It smells fresh and nice. I like that scent a lot. All right, let's see if in the last couple minutes while I finish this, it dries. All right, so that is our Glossybox for April 2021, and we have a Woke Up in Spring, Make Bold Decisions, and that's what that looks like. That's the front of the paperwork, and it told us about everything, well, almost everything that's in the box. We got a couple of bonus items this time. So in this box for $21, we got the Freeman French Pink Clay Peel-Off Mask. We have the KGC New York powders in Murray Hill that I'm going to assume, based on its color, is an eyeshadow. We have this really pretty NCLA lavender polish. I think that that shows off so much prettier than that, but I really like that. We have our bonus Be Calm hemp patch and the Beauty on the Go limited edition Skin Research Laboratories mini kit that has brow growth and lash growth and an exfoliator, which made my hand super soft. The Cargo Swimmables eyeshadow, 20 seconds on and you better have it where you want it, and the Beautinique Nourishing Mascara. And we have a value in this box of $139 because this has a $74 value, which I'm sure can be true because those growth serums for your lashes and your brows can be really expensive. Even if you took that $74 out, you still have a $65 value in the box. And again, it's a $21 box, but I will put my link and code below, and with that, you will get $5 off your first box. All right, we are a long way from this being peeled off, so I'm gonna leave it on here for a couple more minutes, and I will be letting you know right here in editing how it went. How did it go? Did it peel off nicely in one piece? Am I gonna try it on my face? I'll be letting you guys know here. Thank you so much for coming by. I hope you have a fantastic day. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Bye, guys.